Now we're moving on from solving systems of equations by substitution to solving systems of equations by elimination. We're given the system of equations 3x plus y equals 5 and 2x minus 3y equals 7 and asked to solve the system by elimination. So the first step is to write out the equations. And now we want to look at what variable do we want to eliminate. Well, if we look at this one, we have negative 3y and we have y. So if we multiply the first equation by negative 3, or if we multiply the first equation by 3 and then add the equations, we will eliminate the y term. So let's multiply this first equation by 3. And then we rewrite that system of equations. So we have 9x plus 3y equals 15. And we still have 2x minus 3y equals 7. Now we're going to add these equations since the first coefficient on y is positive and the second coefficient on y, or the second equation's coefficient on y, is negative. So 9 plus 2 is 11x. 3y plus negative 3y, or 3y minus 3y, is 0. And that equals 15 plus 7, which is 22. Now we divide both sides by 11, and we get x equals 2. Now we substitute x equals 2 into our second equation, the one that we didn't multiply by. So substitute into the other equation. Technically we can substitute into both equations, but and that's what I'll do here to check. But we want to start with the equation that we didn't use. We did manipulate first, the one that we didn't multiply by. So x equals 2. 2 times 2 minus 3y equals 7. 4 minus 3y equals 7. Subtract 4 from both sides, we get negative 3y equals 3. Divide both sides by negative 3, we get y equals negative 1. Now let's double check with our other equation. 3 times 2 plus y equals 5. 6 plus y equals 5. Subtract 6 from both sides and we get y equals negative 1. So our solution is 2, negative 1. And we check in the same fashion that we have in the past. So let's check this solution by plugging both into both equations. So 3 times 2 plus negative 1, does that equal 5? 6 minus 1, does that equal 5? 5 does equal 5. And now we'll substitute into our other equation. 2 times 2 minus 3 times negative 1, does that equal 7? So 4 plus 3, does that equal 7? 7 does equal 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7, so 7 equals 7. So that verifies our solution to the system of equations 3x plus y equals 5 and 2x minus 3y equals 7 is the point 2, negative 1. Note that we can also check by graphing both of our equations as well.